Good morning, good morning. What a beautiful morning to be right here. Wake up, sit up. It's food o'clock. When I was a little girl, I loved to play. I loved to go in the outdoors and play. But my favorite game, guess what? Was cooking. We used to collect these little blue band tins and we would make them as our saucepans and collect everything around us, stones, seeds, plants, and make meals out of those foods. My mom, bless her, realized my interest in food. She embraced it, and from that day forth, she decided to teach me how to make good food. In hindsight, 40 years later, I can boast that I make the best food you will find around you. My food is nutritious, my food is colorful, my food is plenty, my food is flavorful, my food is memorable. My snack, you need to try that. My name is Sophie Nabbosa Flora Matovu, aka your Minister of Disaster Preparedness. And I am a director at Second Select Limited, a multifaceted company that has been in existence for over 15 years. Today, we are here to talk about the food department of SSL. These are some of the reasons you need to remember Second Select Limited, aka SSL. Is your need breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Would you like a snack for your mid-morning tea? Do you have a conference or a prayer breakfast meeting that requires a hot beverage or juice and finger bites? SSL is your plug for such a service. And for our major functions, the weddings, the traditional ceremonies, the vigils, the funerals, we have a vast menu, custom made to your needs that can cater for these big events, no matter the number. Do you have a traditional function that is most likely going to drag out, and your guests most likely would like to have something to snack on in between? SSL would make for you those snack packs that will sustain your guests and visitors till the main meal is served. Do you have an ailing relative? Do you have a friend whose energy levels does not allow them to prepare the meals they will need on their healing journey? SSL will take that responsibility, plan, prepare, pack, and deliver food to your doorstep to help your relative, your friend get on their way to healing. Do you have children, teenagers, adults who have missed the opportunity to learn to prepare something for themselves? This child all of a sudden needs to make a snack for themselves because the house help is not available and you are away at work. And the adults need to move away from the home setting and start up their own lives as wives, as husbands, or even as bachelors. Second Select can teach you 5-minute meals, 1-pot meals, using your leftover foods, all that will help you along the path to being as independent as you need to be. Is your fridge, cabinet filled with food, herbs that you have no idea how to combine to make a good meal? Second Select has a variety of books that will help you learn how to mix and match these foods, how to make these 1-pot meals using leftover foods. Are you a busy person and meal preparation has been surrendered to that house help who has no idea how to flavor, to vary all the foods that you have provided for them with all your hard-earned money? Is your food so dull that you hate going home and you don't look forward to the meals at home, it's time to call on the Minister of Disaster Preparedness. I will train your house helps and maids to make you that meal that by 5 p.m. you'll be wanting to go home because you know something nice is waiting. Do you have a team build? From your church, from your corporate company, from your social networks, from your camping escapades, from your outdoor adventures, and you are wondering, how do I keep these people active and involved and yet benefit with a life skill? Make SSL part of your team build, part of your outings, part of your group activity, and you shall never regret. Have you encountered school dropouts, the less privileged youth loitering all over our communities? You can make a difference in their lives by organizing them into a small group and let us teach them some culinary skills. Are you a bride? Do you know a bride to be? Are you moving into somebody's house and you are expected to cook some food? Are you planning to start a family where children must eat? This is your plug. The Minister for Disaster Preparedness. You don't have to cook the whole meal. Just one special dish every Sunday. And for our latest edition, hot beverages on our menu. We are equipped with a state-of-the-art boilers and thermal flasks to keep your tea and coffees warm all day, 24 hours. Invite us to your weddings, invite us to your vigils, invite us to your high tea parties. And the trick is, we serve our coffee with a cookie. Do you know you can help yourself learn a lot of subjects about cooking? Right here is the biggest, most varied library on what you can do with food. You can equip your school, your friend's school, your kitchen, your friend's child, that bride who will need to plug in every once in a while is your Department of Home Economics, equipped with the right books. Come to SSL. I am equipped with a number of books, including the best culinary books you will find in Kampala. And for today's highlights, during the COVID times, a family was challenged. Father, mother, 3 children, and the house help, a whole household, were all down with the Omicron. Now, as you all know, part of healing is food. So this was the challenge. The family needed to eat. They had a disease that nobody wanted to come near. Their closest relatives were way back in Busia. And guess what? There was an inter-district lockdown. Now this is where tell a friend to tell a friend works beautifully. And this is what BNI is about. First of all, on Facebook, I find a message from somebody I don't know. She's called Angela Wandera. So she says, can you make us some food? And my question was, how many are you? And she said, we are 5. But this was followed by a call from a strange number from Denmark. So there it was. I got on quickly, planned meals that help heal, meals that need energy, simple meals that can be just reheated and served out anytime. And this went on for 3 good weeks. I made food delivered for food for 3 days in packages. For 3 good weeks, I fed this family. And for me, that has been the most gratifying catering I have done. Right now, I have one big question for all of you. What would you like me to do for you?